I found that Ingenuity was a very great framework for just school in general.
Ingenuity has really challenged me to kind of think outside of the normal realm of how to answer problems.
And one of the great things about Ingenuity is that it is an exceptional gathering of bright minds.
It allows us to kind of challenge each other along with challenging ourselves, because everyone in the group is, actively working towards excelling. So it pushes you to want to excel more.
Some of my fond memories from high school, definitely for the Ingenuity Project, just the challenging coursework. From taking calculus, taking biology, AP biology, various AP courses, and just how attentive and how much the teachers cared about what you were learning.
The Ingenuity Project is absolutely amazing. There's so much you can do, it's so much fun, and it really challenges you to learn so much.
Ingenuity has nearly 500 students in grades 6 through 12. Ingenuity students are engaged learners who put a lot of effort into learning and are motivated to achieve.
They love to study. They love to study everything.
Ingenuity encourages and really expects students to read complex material for understanding, think deeply, analyze, evaluate, and draw conclusions.
I'm working on evaluating the value of the Poisson integral.
Trigonometric delights, we call it. And it's basically explaining trigonometry's influence in all the math subjects. So we have trigonometry and geometry, trigonometry and calculus, and trigonometry within itself.
We just finished learning about nuclear chemistry. We learned about various types of radiation and also nuclear decay.
Currently we are going over logarithms, the principles, the basis of them, as well as using them to help us solve inequalities and draw graphs and things of those sorts.
Alana and I are developing the Fourier series and showing some examples of how it's used to represent functions that are usually hard to represent because they're discontinuous or not differentiable.
Me and my group are doing an experiment about closed ecosystems. So we have several different fish tanks with plants and fish, and they're closed from the outside, and we see how long they will last depending on how big the ecosystem is.
This material is not in textbooks. They are participating in the discovery of knowledge.
I started the research program and I actually did the summer lab work, and that was really eye-opening to see how I would be applying everything I've learned in school in kind of a lab setting.
Applied learning was something that Ingenuity reinforced early on for me because we were always challenged. We were always expected to, connect the dots.
I'm Elias Weston-Farber, and I'm a member of the class of 2012, and I am doing research with this interesting piece of DNA that's actually about 6,000 base pairs long, so it's a very short piece of DNA that's actually able to copy and paste itself elsewhere in the genome. And I'm studying this in yeast, and I'm looking at the structure of this element and trying to understand how it regulates itself.
I think Ingenuity would be a great experience for students who want to challenge themselves in the math and science fields, and the opportunities afforded us, like for example, the research program that we have allows us to work at Johns Hopkins University starting from junior year. It was a really enjoyable experience, and it opened doors for so many other things.
The community that is present within the Ingenuity Project, it is astounding. It's almost like a family away from your family. The support staff, Ms. Costello, Dr. Zverev, they're all willing to provide advice. They're all willing to, give you an ear and listen to your concerns, or give you helpful advice on what you're trying to do.
Ingenuity takes you to the highest you can go. You have to work hard, you've got to be dedicated, but I don't think you can match that education anywhere else.